Hi, this is King George, and here we are at the San Andres station of the Philippine National Railways, and we're waiting for the next train. So the buzzer indicates that cars should not cross the railroad, and so while waiting for the train, we make sure that we're not crossing the yellow line so that hindi tayo mahagip ng tren. And of course, yun, while waiting, video muna. So around nasa Vita Plus na siya. So yun, and may rail guard. If kita nyo yung parang light doon, yun yung train. So ito yung ambience dito sa area. So over there may mga firefighters na nilig the train. And then of course ambience ng place. So ito yung ginagawang Osmeña Highway Bridge around here at San Andres. So as papansin nyo naman, counterflow. Saka syempre na-move yung lane. So if you're passing through this area, yun, isiwas na lang. And then of course that's the train. Yun. So sakay na tayo. And I'll be cutting up transmission from here. Okay. And puno siya. Medyo lang.